Hey guys, we're out here at Erio. I'm out here fishing with my mother, and it is just gorgeous out here, guys. Nothing as of yet. The fish aren't really biting too much, but like, dude, smile, you're on YouTube. Just people out here having fun, relaxing. And seagulls galore. No, not yet. Huh. Oh, wow. It is. What can I get? There we go. Oh, Mom's gonna cast out in a minute. I hope I got that on camera. Oh, we got a pontoon boat. I think that's a pontoon boat. Correct me if I'm wrong. Another boat coming back in. Now this, I'm actually gonna check out mine. See here if I got nothing. Huh. I'm gonna move my coffee closer. Oh.
You got a table, use it.
Oh, I know I do, but it'll block me in. Nice boat.
Are you straight down?
Yeah, I'm straight down. For the moment. I'd rather not replace the lines if I get it caught in a boat motor. I think that's a trait both of us have gotten. You got something or what? Oh.
Seaweed. Want some? I hear it's a good for salads.
Bon appetit. I don't know. Seaweed salad. I don't know, guys, what y'all think? Do you want some or no? Leave a comment down below. Oh, looks like the guy down below us is getting something. I've seen his rod go down. Looks like he's getting some bites. Or, no, it's just moving. Let's see what I got. Yeah, this is where you try and play multi-talented. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna put y'all in the window and see in the car and see what I got on my line.